My wife's birthday's tomorrow, and I want to surprise her bright and early in the morning with a 2-berry pie pecan and sunflower crust out of the How Not To Die Cookbook by Dr. Greger. The first thing you want to do is start soaking the 3/4 cup cashews, because you got to do that for 3 hours. The crust consists of 1 cup pecans or walnuts, 3/4 cup sunflower seeds, a 1/2 cup soft pitted medjool dates. Combine all 3 of those in a food processor and process until they're coarsely ground. After you're done blending the 3 ingredients for the pie crust, you're going to pour it in your pan, and it's going to look like it's too much, but you're going to push it down real hard. You're going to put this in a 9-inch pie plate. You can line it with some plastic wrap for easy removal, so that's what we did here, and mold it into a pie crust shape. Now let's just put the pie crust in the refrigerator while we prepare all the other ingredients. I've already tasted it some and it was delicious. Plop this right here in the fridge. Now that 3 hours has passed, we're going to drain the cashews and we're going to blend them with 2 tablespoons date sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon blended peeled lemon, and a 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. And we're going to blend that until it's smooth. Since we didn't have date sugar and we couldn't find it anywhere around here, I'm going to have to order some, but in the meantime, I'm just going to use erythritol, since that's an alternative sugar that just so happens to be the most antioxidant-rich, healthiest sweetener on the planet. After all that's been blended smooth, we're going to add our 1/2 ripe banana, a 1/2 cup blueberries, and blend until smooth and creamy. Now we're going to spread the filling evenly on top of the crust. The last thing we need to do is add a cup of blackberries and 3/4 cup blueberries in concentric circles on top of the filling. Then you have to let it sit in the refrigerator for 4 hours before you can dive in, and that's going to be perfect timing for her birthday. They also recommend that you eat it on the same day that you prepare it, so we're going to have plenty to go around. Be sure to get your copy of the How Not To Die Cookbook, probably the healthiest cookbook on the planet. You can get it at nutritionfacts.org. Check out the links in the description below. Also at nutritionfacts.org is the Daily Dozen app. It's free, and it's an awesome way to get your life on track in eating a whole food plant-based diet, so definitely check that out. It's probably worth mentioning that when I was cleaning up the blender, there was some crust left over in there, or what I was using to make the crust, and I couldn't help but try some of that, and it was so good. And when I'm cleaning this up, I'm trying this, and it too is so good. And the combination of the two, I can't wait to try out tomorrow when I finally get to eat this pie.